Morning, folks. Well, we got some weather coming in. 5 to 8 inches of snow and ice and all that good stuff. It's not supposed to hit till about 11. Got to do bucket calves. Good news is we did find the cow that goes to that calf I brought in the other day. And I brought her in last night with the calf that she was claiming and took that calf back to its actual mother. But the cow seems to want this calf. But the calf has been bottle fed long enough that she thinks she needs a bottle. So I'll do the other bucket calves and go from there. Come here, Junior. Well, might not have to get her in the head catch. That calf went to sucking here and she don't mind, so won't have to get her in the head catch. This new bucket calf here we had to take off of an old cow. We think she was kind of drying up or something. She wasn't getting enough, so we brought her in, been feeding her for the last couple days. Well, I got these bucket calves done. I'm not gonna get her in the head catch because that calf's sucking her, so now I'm just gonna run up through the hills, feed our cow that's gone down. She hasn't got back up yet, so I've got to take feed and water to her before the snow hits and make sure everything's kind of in protection before all this weather hits. It's a pretty nice morning, really. Guess it's a calm before the storm. Crazy thing is, yesterday was 85 and today it's a high of 32, 5 to 8 inches of snow and ice. Well, I forgot to check the gas gauge, so hopefully we don't run out of fuel making a run up here. Uh-oh. Feels like rain, that's for sure. I'm gonna feed her in water quick this morning, and I'll probably come back with a bunch of hay. Throw a bunch of hay in here and bed her down a little bit since she can't get up. It's gonna be out in this weather. There's our old gal here. Still just can't quite get up. How's it going today, sister? Another couple days and she'll be able to get up. Basically, before the storm hits, just trying to kind of make sure nothing's out in these hills and trying to calve out here, and if they are, try to kind of push them back towards protection. Just don't need them out in this rain and snow and blow and all the fun stuff. There's quite a few cows out roaming around. Got one calving right here. But the nice thing about this pasture is there's protection clear down there, cedar trees, and then these. So these cows will blow into there for protection. And the other ones will stay down in those trees. When the wind starts really whipping, they'll probably blow in there. Got a cow calving over here. I'm hoping it isn't trouble. Kind of looks a little funky. Yeah. Here's something you don't want to see. That's the wrong way. Backwards calf. Well, I'll try to get her to the barn. Gotta get her in, pull that sucker. She hasn't been at it too long, I know, because I was just up here a while ago, so hopefully the calf will survive. Well, that's about the last thing you want to see, but that's the way she goes. Now she don't really want to leave the bunch, so I'm just getting her to the fence line so I don't have to bob and weave all the way there. Back foot pushed back in, so she hadn't been at her too long, so the calf is hopefully alive. We'll see what we can do. Well, slowly but surely. Dad's gonna go get the gate. I know if I left her, she'd be taken clear back off, so. Well, still being a pain in the butt, but the bad thing is we're running on E. No bueno. So we about got her to the shed here. Well, got her in. She is on the fight. Also, folks, if you like these videos and want to help out, the best way to do that would be to hit like and watch this video all the way through. and to consider subscribing. It would really help out my channel, and I'd appreciate it. I don't think she's been at it too long. She did that quite a bit. She's still kicking. Always a good time. Big at least.
He's not big.
Not huge. Tiny. I got him hooked on here. It's quite a ways up there yet. I can reach. I know, I was just saying I got the Well, got him saved. I'd say she loves him. Hands are a little slimy here. Well, here's our backwards calf. She's already got him up and sucked and whole work. Yeah, you're a real treat too, sister. Nice looking calf. Quit. Go quit. Oh, quit. Glad we saved that calf. That's a good old cow. Even though she's kind of got an attitude. Well, we still got to go back up and haul water to our old cow that can't get up, so that's where we're headed. Starting to be some moisture in the air. Here's old rooster pheasant over there. You probably can't see it. Starting to be quite a bit of moisture that you can see out the window. So rain's coming. and then the snow. What a treat. Well, gotta go back. Pretty much running on fumes. Forgot to put fuel on the old girl. So I better go get some gas. Well, made her to the fuel barrel. She's really flashing at me now. Boy, she's bone dry in there. Good thing I came back. I don't think I'd have made her very far. The nice thing about this Gator is the windshield wipers don't work, so you can't hardly see. Yeah, there's quite a bit of moisture in the air now. Starting to kind of freeze on the posts and stuff. So, here comes the fun. I'm leaving this gate open. I don't think I'll be in here very long, so hopefully nothing goes out of there. Gonna make another round up through these hills, hopefully not find another backwards calf or something. Get some water for our down cow up there. Hello, sweetheart. Get you some water here. Tomorrow. Now there's a little bit left there. You want to finish her off? Well, I'll make a lap here and see if there's anything. Well, there's nothing really up in these hills. There's some down there in these trees, but that wind should push them in behind the cedars. So I'm not going to go in there because I don't want to push anything out. So hopefully there's no problems going on in there. Bunch of calves out there. I'm just going to open this up. And when that weather gets worse, hopefully these cows will come get them. These cows are all back in there. Dad fed them in them trees. I'm just gonna open these panels up and hopefully they'll just work their way. Gonna shut the doors and bring that gator around so this thing will fill up with snow. Looks like everybody's kosher back here in the heifer pen. So I guess we'll just wait for the storm to come in and check through that. You comfy there, old Juno? You tucked in? What about you, hairball? Huh? You're in my way a little bit. Well, gonna make another run through the hills, see if there's anything going on. Well, it hasn't started snowing yet, but it's starting to rain a little bit heavier. It's kind of changed this morning. This morning it was kind of ice. Now it's just an actual rain, so it isn't freezing to the windows and stuff. So I can actually see a little bit. Maybe I should fix the windshield wiper, I don't know. Well, we got a calf out here on his own. Doesn't look gan or anything. I don't know what he's doing up here. Gonna have to figure that out. So that's fun. Well, seems like everything's pretty clear, except just gotta check on that calf and see what the deal is there. We paired out yesterday, so I wonder if that calf, the cow to that calf, is out on the meadow where we paired him out to. So I'm gonna probably just kick him through there and hopefully and hope that that's how it is. I'm gonna see if there's anything wrong with the fence line, see if she's calling for him or anything. All right, Junior. Let's see if we can go find your mother, huh? I remember tagging you just the other day. I'm betting she's on the meadow. You're gonna come with me though. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. You're all right. All right. I don't want to leave you out in the weather there, Jasper. Hey. No better in here than out in the rain, huh? I wonder if Thought about taking him to the barn, but I don't know. It'd be nice if I could find her. I've decided we're gonna take him to the barn. We're gonna take you to the barn, Jasper. 5 to 8 inches of snow. I could kick him in there and he might pair up with her, or he might not. Easier to take him to the barn and find her tomorrow and get them paired up than kind of hope that they get paired up. So you're heading for the shed. Really? I'm trying to help you out and you're gonna kick me? It's a bull calf, so the odds of him peeing down my leg are pretty high. So that's fun. Alright, buddy. Got you in time just to miss the ice storm. Ah. There you go. There, sweetie. Well, we'll get to ride out the ice storm in the old barn. Gotta go back and shut that gate before I forget and somebody goes up out that sucker. Kind of some ice chunks starting to fall out of the sky here. She's a little icy. Let's see on the fence there. Not good. Yesterday it was like 83 degrees. Welcome to Nebraska, folks. 80 degrees one day, 32, and a snowstorm the next. It's nice to finally get a little rain at least. Thank you, old hound dogs. You old hound dogs. Uh-huh. What are you gals up to back here? What's the word? Well, everything looks good back here. Well, it's about 8 o'clock now. I would say we got somewhere between 3 and 4 inches of snow. Maybe more, maybe less. But it's coming down pretty good right now. It's a nice wet snow that we needed for some good moisture anyway. Well, no problems, thankfully. So we'll just keep on checking through the night.